everyone, welcome back to One Footed Phoenix. Today I'm going to be showing you what's in my coping skills box. And this is a great thing for anyone that has anxiety, PTSD, maybe you just have been through a lot and you're like, dang, I need something to squish today. So the first thing inside my box is a squishy ball. This is probably my favorite item. I don't know what's inside it. I just bought this at Walmart and it's got squishy stuff inside of it. And it's really good for those times when you're like, oh, I just need to squish something. Second, I have a fidget spinner. And it's one of those cool ones that has the poppets on it. And it's got stripes on it. Fidget spin that anxiety away. Third, I have some anxiety medicine because, you know, sometimes I get in situations where I'm about to have a panic attack and I just need that dang anxiety medicine. Next, I also have a poppet. I love these. They're very good for relaxing and ADHD and things like that. Next, I have a essential oil stick. So you just take the lid off and you stick it under your nose and breathe in all that good smell. And last but not least, I have some prompt cards, and I'm going to show you guys what these say as well, but it's probably going to be hard to read on camera, so I'll also read it to you what these say. So this one says, hard days are proof you haven't given up yet. This one says, even though my leg hurts, I deeply love and accept myself. And this is actually a EFT tapping script, so you can use tapping points on your hands and like on your under your eyes, on your mouth, under your armpits, collarbone, all that good stuff. This one says breathe and trace your fingers. So how this is done is you go and then and you go up all 5 fingers. So the idea is that you slowly trace up and down all 5 fingers. This one says make a mind map. This is something that I learned to do in therapy, but if you know how to do it, it's pretty cool. I'm not going to tell you how to do it because usually you need a trained professional to kind of tell you how to do it. So this one says color something. Coloring is something that really relaxes me. And then this last one says play with the squishy sand. I have a box of squishy kinetic sand and I love it. And that's it. That's everything that goes in my coping skills box. Just wanted to say, if you enjoyed the video, to make sure you subscribe. If you'd like to subscribe, click the Phoenix button. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. Thank you for watching and we'll see you all next week. Bye!